Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a support letter for a friend. It is a formal document that vouches for your friend's character, reliability, and suitability for a particular purpose. You should begin your letter by including your full name, address, city, state, zip code, email, and phone number at the top. Below that, add the current date. Address the letter formally with "to whom it may concern" if you are unsure of the recipient's name. After that, write, "I am writing this letter in support of my dear friend's name, whom I have known for years. Throughout our friendship I have witnessed their integrity, kindness, and unwavering dedication to their commitments. They have always been a person of strong character, demonstrating responsibility and compassion in both personal and professional settings. Whether assisting others in need or excelling in their work, friend's name consistently upholds the highest standards of conduct. I wholeheartedly vouch for friend's name and their suitability for purpose of the letter, e.g., a job, legal matter, or application. Their dedication and positive influence on those around them make them an excellent candidate for this opportunity. Please feel free to contact me at your phone number or your email if you require any further information. Sincerely, your name." Here's our sample support letter for a friend. You'll notice how it clearly highlights your friend's character, reliability, and suitability for the intended purpose. The letter provides specific examples of their positive qualities, your relationship with them, and any relevant details that strengthen their case. By following this format step by step, you can create a well-structured and persuasive support letter that effectively vouches for your friend. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on drafting official documents.